Trina. Okay, hi.
Hey, what's up?
Nothing. I had a good morning, then I woke up.
I had a decent morning. At school, we had like this concert thingy with this violin player, guitar player, harmonica player, accordion player people, and it was really awkward. Like, there's this chick, she started doing like Irish dancing, and then like friggin'
yeah, she was going crazy.
She sounds pretty crazy.
Bitch went crazy.
It was an intense day. Just getting intenser and intenser. Jason.
Jason. Jason. Jason.
Oh, sweet Jesus, he's sleeping again.
All the times that I had to say I'm sorry for wanting something with a few more bits than my Atari. Don't play a game, boy, they said it would get old, but sometimes boys like me are curious and can't be told. Now, you came along and had me saying, what is this? Your sexiness, it got me ready for that Genesis. Baby, grab a hold of the joystick, take control of the motion. I can feel it when you, baby, you make all of the choices. Other players can join us if you're feeling like you wanna play games. If 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 you wanna play games. Play games. Play games. Then I upgraded to Nintendo 64, and your first time with the joystick left you feeling like a hyper gamer, nothing greater. We can play all night. You better be some competition, cause I wanna fight. Baby, grab a hold of the joystick, take control of the motion. I can feel it when you, baby, you make all of the choices. Other players can join us if you're feeling like you wanna play games. If 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 you wanna play games. Play games.
Jason! Whore.
What?